different journey. Different stages of the funnel calls for very different content formats. We need to match our content type to where our audience is in their different journey to maximize engagement and move them forward effectively. So we have different buyer journey. We have the awareness stage, we have the interest, we have the consideration, we have the conversion, and we have the retention. So in terms of the awareness stage, images, short forms video, social ads, GIFs, advertorial template banner actually works very well when we are targeting our audience that are in the what awareness what stage. Then when it comes to the interest stage, in terms of the buying journey of our audience, blogs, long form videos, white papers, podcasts, ebooks, infographics play a very key role in terms of the interest stage. When it comes to the consideration stage, you have to talk about social retargeting, case studies, webinars, FAQs, testimonials, newsletter, and carousel. So these are the different uh, types of content that are effective in the consideration stage when targeting our audience in their buying journey. Then, in terms of the conversion, we have to talk about images, carousel, social display, retargeting, canvas, and cards. These are very good content format that can be used to do or target our audience in the conversion stage. Then retention stage. At the retention stage, this we have actually converted this particular audience right now. They are currently with us. And at the retention stage, all we now need to use to keep our audience at the retention stage is user generated content, testimonials where people talk about how they have been doing business with us, buying our product, and how our services has been effective. Then rewards, reviews, you understand, discount, exclusive offers to our returning customers. Then community management, an important complement. Community management is essentially the customer service layer of your content marketing strategy. As your content reaches more people, conversations will follow, and how you manage those interactions shape your brand reputation just as much as the content itself. You understand? One, manage issues, gain valuable insight from your audience, turn customers into fans. You understand? And then create networking opportunities. Active community management opens doors for collaboration, partnership, and influential relationship that grow your brand's reach. You understand? Then drive repeat sales. Staying top of mind through consistent engagement encourages customers to return, increasing lifetime value and reducing uh, um, cost of acquiring customers. And community management in action. A community management response doesn't need to be long. It needs to be human, timely, and on brand. Even a simple acknowledgement can turn a frustrated customer into a loyal word advocate. Then, what is content marketing strategy? Now we are talking. What is a content marketing strategy? Do you get now? A content marketing strategy is an ever evolving plan that determines your content marketing goals, targets, and objectives. It takes into action your audience, thereby, thereby buying journey and format and style aligned with your wider business. It takes into account your audience, their buying journey, and the format and style aligned with your wider audience. So, a content marketing strategy is an evolving plan that determines your content marketing goals. It determines your content marketing goals And also you have to, and also objectives. What are your content marketing goals? What are your content marketing objectives? Does it align with the business objectives? You understand? Are you creating this content for brand awareness or for lead generation? You understand now? Or for community building? Do you get? And you have to ensure that your content marketing strategy aligns with your audience buying journey. You understand? Because at each stage of the buying journey, there's need for a specific kind of content that needs to be what distributed to this particular what audience. A strategy is what separates purposeful content from random posting. You don't just wake up and you're just posting content. You have to be strategic. And content marketing strategy a cyclical process. You have to plan for your content. You have to create and curate that content. You have to distribute and publish that content across the right channels at the right time. You understand? And you have to ensure that you have done your research and you have to apply a strategic approach in terms of the planning, the distribution of the content, and you have to track measurement. You don't just wake up and post content without tracking the performance of that particular content. Then the next thing is concept, key takeaway. So, concept and key takeaway. So, one, match content to business objective. I've said it. You have to match your content strategy to your business objectives. You have to match your content objectives, your content plan to your what? Your business objectives. You have to balance both topical and evergreen type of content. You have to always have a clear intention. Intentionless content is easily spotted by customers. Every piece you create should have a defined purpose tied to a specific stage of the buyer's journey. You understand? Then don't overlook community management. Strategy is a cycle, not a sprint. A content marketing strategy is a cyclical process made up of six key steps. You have to research, you have to plan, you have to create and curate, you have to publish, that is, distribute your content, and you have to measure and what? Re-strategize. In terms of moving into phase two, research, in our next lesson, we're going to talk about research. With the foundational concept established, it is time to put theory into practice. The research phase is where your content strategy gets grounded in reality, using real data and audience behavior, real competitor intelligence to inform every decision that follows. So, thank you very much for this opportunity to present this course to you. This course is brought to you by Hillsoft EdTech. In our next class, we'll be talking about the next phase, which is what? Research. And that is chapter 2. Thank you.